how to sign up or log into your Revolut account. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can sign up or log into your Revolut account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to sign up or log into your Revolut account, all you have to do is just open up Revolut like this. Once you launch the Revolut app, you're going to see this type of interface where you just need to tap the sign up button first of all if you don't have an account. So just tap on it. Once I tap the sign up button, it's going to basically ask me to simply enter my phone number. So I will also just go ahead and enter my phone number over here after selecting my country, and then I'll just go ahead and then simply enter my phone number in this case. Once I've done that, I'll just tap the sign up button. Now once it's done that, it's going to send a verification code to my mobile number here, and then once it basically sends a verification code, you simply want to make sure to enter them properly, and then you'll be successfully signed up after entering all the other details over here. Now if you want to log in, you can just come back, already have an account, and you should be able to log in successfully. That's it for this video on how you can go ahead and then actually sign up on Revolut. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.